What are the foods high in uric acid? The increasing level of uric acid, gout, can develop joint inflammation and severe joint pain that can lead you through gout attacks that are critical health issues and can cause dangerous joint damage in your body. The increasing level of uric acid, gout, can develop joint inflammation and severe joint pain that can lead you through gout attacks that are critical health issues and can cause dangerous joint damage in your body. As we always say, whatever a person eats regularly affects his overall health and wellness. The increasing level of uric acid is also an influence related to your food and beverages. Numbers of people have been eating the wrong food and suffering from high uric acid and gout. Foods high in uric acid. Luckily, gout is treatable, and if you change your poor lifestyle and eating schedule, you will see positive changes in your body. This video would tell the foods high in uric acid, so let's have a closer look at the uric acid food list to avoid. Red meat. Most red meats are rich in protein, and they added such components that can raise the uric acid level, and sometimes it can be dangerous for your health. According to several studies, people who eat lamb meat or other red meat suffer from gout or joint troubles more than other people who do not eat red meat most of the time. Sunflower seeds. People use sunflower seeds in their food items, and they have them as a snack too. Sunflower seeds also include purine, and it can increase the uric acid level in your body, so if you have sunflower seeds, you must avoid it or reduce the amount of it. Soft drink or soda drink. Some uric acid foods to avoid, like soft drinks, sodas, and fruit juices with preservatives, contain a lot of sugar and fructose that is highly harmful to your health and increase your body's uric acid level. Beans, peas, legumes, and lentils. Beans, peas, and legumes are vegetables rich in protein and fiber, and they are not useful for those suffering from uric acid. You must know that lentils are purine-rich food, and 100 grams of serving to contain 127 amounts of purine. If you have gout-related troubles or your body makes high uric acid, then you must avoid lentils. Try to have it once or twice a month, not more than that. Alcohol. Millions of people drink alcohol regularly without knowing that it can affect and damage their body parts. The increased uric acid level is also one of the significant reasons produced by alcohol. The brewery liquor and beer are the richest sources of purine, and now the researchers have proved that people who drink beer daily face gout attacks or joint pain and inflammation, so try to avoid drinking alcohol.